Let's talk about analog devices, ticker ADI, a company not just riding the automation wave, but aiming to double its industrial automation business by 2030. CEO Vincent Roche and his team aren't just setting goals, they're making a declaration of dominance. Why the confidence? Because the world is automating faster than ever. Factories, supply chains, everything. ADI is at the core, providing the brains and senses for modern industry. Their chips and sensors are in everything from robots to smart machinery. This isn't about a good quarter, it's about a decade-long supercycle. Every new robot, every automated warehouse, ADI is likely inside. They're not just selling parts, they're selling the future. Roche points to more ADI content in every system and explosive growth in robotics and AI. They're building the future one chip at a time. With engineering talent, scale, and deep customer ties, ADI has the horsepower to deliver. Doubling a business this size is huge, but the digital tailwinds are real. The industrial world is digitizing, and ADI is supplying the picks and shovels. Their 2030 vision is a declaration. They intend to lead the intelligent edge. When a company with ADI's pedigree makes a bold call, you pay attention. This is long-term thinking that separates winners from the pack. Booyah! The story is great, but the numbers are even better. ADI's latest quarter? Blockbuster. Revenue hit $2.88 billion, up 9% sequentially and 25% year-over-year. Adjusted earnings per share? $2.05, beating estimates by over 5%. Net income surged 32% year-over-year, and their EBITDA margin was a jaw-dropping 59%. This is operational excellence, turning revenue into real profit. And the momentum isn't slowing. Management is guiding for $3 billion in revenue next quarter, with EPS around $2.22. Key segments, industrial, communications, consumer, are all strong. While others talk headwinds, ADI talks growth and records. Inventory days are lean at 133, meaning they're selling what they make. Demand is outpacing supply, a hallmark of a company in a powerful upcycle. Their financials are a fortress and the outlook is bright. This isn't a one-hit wonder, it's a world-class act. ADI is managing with surgical precision. The numbers scream. This is a growth machine. When you see this kind of performance, you know the story is real. The good times look set to keep rolling. ADI is a financial powerhouse in motion. Industrial automation is ADI's main event. 45% of total revenue and growing fast. Last quarter, this segment grew 12% sequentially and 23% year-over-year. The growth engine is roaring back, powered by a broad-based recovery across all regions and sectors. From factory automation in Germany to smart manufacturing in Asia, demand is robust. ADI's chips are essential for process control, precision measurement, and industrial networking. As factories get smarter, the need for ADI's tech only grows. They're the link between machines and data, the intelligent edge. More processing and sensing power on the factory floor means real-time decisions, higher productivity, and better safety. For every dollar spent on new industrial machines, more is going to electronics, and ADI is capturing a bigger share. This segment is solidifying ADI as an untouchable leader. If industrial automation is the engine, robotics is the high-octane fuel. Demand for advanced robots, autonomous, mobile, even humanoid, is exploding. ADI's content per robot is soaring, especially in next-gen machines. A simple robot might have basic ADI tech, but a humanoid needs advanced sensing, motion control, power management, and AI processing, all ADI strengths. CEO Roche highlights the humanoid robot boom as a major tailwind. Companies are investing billions in robots that work alongside humans in factories and hospitals. These robots need to see, hear, and feel with precision. ADI delivers the sensors and processors. As robots get smarter, ADI's value per unit skyrockets. This is how they double their automation business. Not just more units, but more value in each. The robot revolution is here, and ADI is the nervous system. This is a secular growth story with decades of runway. Get on board or get left behind. ADI isn't stopping at factories. They're pushing automation into healthcare and agriculture. In healthcare, robotics-assisted surgery demands precision and reliability. ADI's components are critical. As these systems become common, ADI's role grows in this high-margin market. In ag tech, autonomous tractors and sensor-equipped drones are transforming farming. ADI's sensors measure soil, processors analyze data, and wireless tech connects the farm. This boosts yields, cuts waste, and makes farming sustainable. Expanding into new verticals is a core strategy, not a side project. It diversifies revenue and opens massive new markets. Whether it's a surgical robot, smart irrigation, or automated logistics, ADI is at the center. They're not just a chip company, they're enabling the automated world of tomorrow. ADI is the master of intelligent sensing and control at the edge. No company wins alone. ADI builds deep partnerships across automation. Their collaboration with Teradyne Robotics ensures ADI's chips are in cutting-edge robots. These partnerships give ADI early insight into market needs and lock in their technology. ADI works with giants like Siemens and Rockwell, getting designed into platforms from day one. Once you're in for years, creating recurring revenue. This collaborative approach multiplies ADI's reach and influence. Every partner becomes an advocate, pulling ADI tech into new applications. As more leaders standardize on ADI, it becomes the default choice. This partnership strategy cements ADI's leadership for the long haul. What does Wall Street think? They're voting with their wallets. After ADI's earnings and 2030 vision, the stock surged 6%, a major vote of confidence. Big money is piling in, seeing the same bright future. Analysts are upgrading. Susquehanna raised its target to $300, citing robotics and the upcycle. Others echo the bullish calls, though a few remain cautious. The consensus: ADI is executing flawlessly, end markets are strong, and growth is intact. Market cap is over $125 billion with room to run. A rising stock price helps ADI attract talent, make acquisitions, and invest for the future. It's confirmation that the strategy is working. The tape doesn't lie. Wall Street is betting big on ADI's automation dominance. The virtuous cycle is in motion. Don't bet against them. No investment is risk-free, even for ADI. The biggest threat? A global recession could slow demand for industrial upgrades. ADI is cyclical, tied to the health of the global economy. The automotive segment, 30% of revenue, is seeing a short-term dip as China normalizes demand. Some worry this could signal broader weakness, but industrial strength looks solid. Inventory is lean, but analysts watch for hidden buildups or double ordering. If customers have over-ordered, a correction could hurt. Geopolitics and trade wars are wild cards. Tariffs or disruptions could impact operations. ADI is skilled at navigating challenges, but global risks remain. These are the risks you take with a global leader, but the potential rewards far outweigh them. Why should you care about ADI's 2030 vision? Because it's about the future of our world. Automation, efficiency, and intelligence at the edge are unstoppable trends. ADI is at the epicenter, enabling the fourth industrial revolution. Investing in ADI is betting on the picks and shovels of this transformation. As the world gets smarter and more automated, ADI's tech becomes essential. They have visionary leadership, financial strength, and a dominant market position. They're expanding into high-growth areas like robotics, healthcare, and ag tech. Wall Street is on board, and the numbers back it up. This is a best-of-breed company in a best-of-breed sector. Don't get distracted by market noise. Look at the big picture. ADI's 2030 goal isn't just a dream. It's a roadmap to value. In a world full of hype, ADI delivers real products, profits, and a tangible future. This is a core holding for anyone betting on the tech shaping the 21st century.